All right, today I'm going to show you how to use Master View in PowerPoint and slides to help make student-friendly but still editable resources. This works if you start in PowerPoint or start in Google Slides. You can convert one to the other. The only catch is if you're using certain fonts, they won't go back and forth between the two. Um, like if you've downloaded them from Teachers Pay Teachers or wherever you get fonts from and created it in PowerPoint and uploaded it into Google Slides, this won't work. So there's a couple ways around that, which I will talk about. So I'm using this on a short resource just for illustrative purposes, but this could be a very long resource, what have you. So I have word searches here, interactive word searches. So I have a fancy font, MJ Bulletin Board from Molly Joe, MJ Simply the Best are my other fonts. This is just a digital word search. So we're all used to saving this as a picture, whether you highlight it at all and you right click, save as picture, or if you go file, save a copy that way, right? And inserting that picture as a background into then Google Slides. However, that makes it static. That picture is a picture. Right now, I am in the editing. This is on my slide. I can edit it and click around. If this is how I sent it to my students, they'd be able to change things. However, this slide does not have that. All it has is the clickable pieces for the word search. I can't click and change any of the text. There's another word search, same premise. I'm getting the squiggly line because this is text, but it is in master view. So in PowerPoint, you would go to View and Slide Master. So if Earth Day, I have made it one of the slides. You can see that these are all blank. I just made the blank template, this word search, and now I can click and edit. That's why I'm getting my red squiggly line, because it's telling me to change this to Earth Day. The font, I have underscores to get these blank pennants. But this is where all of this editable text lives, so that on the top student side, it's not there. I don't have my other word searches in here just yet, but you can insert as many layouts as you want. You can change the layouts that are here to just be your pages. You can also change the overall style. This is something that comes from, ease of any resource. This is where you can change the default fonts on your own. You can change just certain slides, but this is the master view in. So you would close the master view, and that's how, if I were to insert a new slide, insert blank, there's my background. The movable pieces aren't there because that would be something I would put on top. You can upload something like this into Google Slides, but the trouble comes with the fancy fonts. So for this same word search in Google Slides, what I decided to do was just pick different fonts that were Google native. So in Google, you can start with a blank slate, a blank slides presentation, and then here you would go to View and Master. So it's kind of the similar steps in both programs, and I just chose one of the layouts and took that over, copied in my editable contents, and then the only thing is that you can actually really easily copy from PowerPoint to slides to get some of these fancier elements. Like if I click my words, copy, I can actually paste it right into there. If you don't want the white background, you want it to stay transparent, that's when you would, in PowerPoint, save as picture and save it as a PNG. Then in slides, insert image, upload that transparent PNG. Since I was keeping a white background, I just cropped it and moved it up here. Sent it to the back also works, so you don't get that extra. I decided that for this, I also wanted to give the option of a printable, so I copied it all to another layout and just changed a little bit there to make it friendly to print out. Put a name, circle or highlight the words. That way when I close out the master editing mode and you insert a new slide, my layouts are there. The caption is one of them and the blank is one of them. You can rename these, especially if you're doing a long resource. I also made my thank you page a master layout 2, and then just added some clear boxes for the links, so that way that text can't be edited. This is just a short crash course. The more you play with it, the better you get at it. Thanks for watching.